Afternoon to everyone. I am very pleased and I would like to take this opportunity to officially announce that Meghalaya will be hosting the 83rd National Table Tennis Championship 2021. This is one of the biggest tournaments that Meghalaya has hosted till date, among many others, but this is one of the biggest. And at the same time, this is only the second time that the biggest table tennis event is being hosted in the Northeast. We are expecting close to 650 participants, out of which 450 will be players and the rest will be coaches and supporting staff. Approximately arrangement for about 300 rooms have been made. Travel and other logistical arrangements have been made. We will be hosting this in the Sai Indoor Training Center at Nehu in Shillong, where we expect the hall to accommodate close to 20 tables, and this tournament will be held there. And the dates for this tournament will be from 18th of April to 25th of April 2022. We expect a large number of participants to come, as well as the different office bearers of the different states, including the Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana, who is the President of the Haryana Table Tennis Association, who is also responsible for this event taking place here, and I must thank him for his initiative. At the same time, I would like to thank the President of the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association, as well as the Vice President, Mr. Bruce Marak, who is here with me right now. And I also would like to thank Mr. Chiranjeev Chaudhary, who is the Vice President of the Table Tennis Federation of India, as well as the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association, who is instrumental in organizing this event, and are also very importantly will be responsible for ensuring that this goes off smoothly. This tournament has also been hosted by the state, keeping in mind the 50 years or the Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. Therefore, this is one of the events which we had discussed earlier, that we'll be hosting a number of events. So this is also a part of the 50 years celebration, and therefore many activities to coincide with this National Table Tennis Championship will also be held.